Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. So today is going to be a sit-down video and a very quick unboxing video dito sa ating natanggap na parcel. So before anything else, I just want to say thank you to Teddy Blake for sending me this beautiful handbag. Even though hindi ko pa siya nakita guys in person kasi obviously hindi unbox guys, unbag tayo nito. But just looking at the photos sa website nila, in love na ako sa bag na to. So, I know it's going to be really beautiful. So, thank you, Teddy Blake, for gifting this to me. And without further ado, let's get into it. Make sure na hindi natin makat ang strap. It always happens, guys. Kapag nag-unbox ako or unpack, gamit yung gunting, good luck. Minsan yung mga dress ay nakakat ko rin. I remember last time, Teddy Blake, last year, I can't remember anong month, but mid last year, pinadalhan din ako ng Teddy Blake ng handbag that was mas malaki pa dito guys, pink yung kulay niya. Actually, I'll just grab it in a minute, but ipapakita ko muna ito sa inyo. So that one, it has box, but this one came which is this one. As you can see, yung size niya guys, kita nyo kaagad kung gaano ito kaliit na. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. So, Eva Gold Micro, yung mga code nila andyan. Oh. But it comes in this plastic bag. And then, may bubble wrap pa siya guys. So, it's very, very safe. Hindi siya matutupi or whatnot. Ayan. And then, ting 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 ting. Oh my goodness. So, the dust bag is so freaking cute. It says Teddy Blake, New York. And the moment of truth. Daddy Mike is watching this. Do you want to join in, Daddy? Oh my goodness. Cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Cute. This is literally defines the word cute. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is the perfect shade of pink for me. Kasi yung last na niregalo din nila sa akin guys, mas malaki, tapos fuchsia pink. So ito siya is very subtle lang yung kanyang kulay. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'll definitely wear it today. Oh my god. Okay. So, let's appreciate the color guys. Oh my goodness. Oh. Tingnan nyo oh. Ang kanyang size, isang ano lang talaga ng palad ko ba? I'll just show you the 360. Good job, camera. Ayan. So, pinapakita talaga ng camera yung mga details niya, guys. Ayan. Yan yung talagang totoong kulay ng bag. Oh, love this yellow gold na hardware. Sobrang liit niya, guys. Super cute. This is for like casual or kahit na pang formal na mga events. So, ganyan siya, oh. Ganyan. Pwede siyang pa-open ng ganyan. Sa outside, it says Teddy Blake, New York. It's open. Oh, it's so freaking cute. Oh my god. Okay, so sa loob, may laman na strap, long strap. Kasi pwede mo to siyang maisuot ng crossbody. Ayan yung kanyang strap. So, pakita ko sa inyo yan mamaya. So, this is what it looks inside. Suede. Yeah, it feels like suede yung loob niya, guys. Ayan. Alam ko it's super small, guys. But, again, meron akong mga bag na small ay parang medium, large size. So, ito yung mini. Kasi, alam nyo kapag may malaki akong bag na, if you go to the airport, tapos ito lang siya pagsabit dyan. I can put my card or alam niyo, yung mga abubots lang naman natin. Kasi yung phone na hindi kasya dito. Asan ba ang phone ko? Somewhere. Ayan. Hindi siya magkasya. But, look guys, kung gaano naman to siya ka-cute, diba? Oh my God. Legit, cute talaga to siya, guys. Oh, what do you think of this, Daddy?
Told you it's cute. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yeah. Ayan. Oh my goodness. This is super beautiful, guys. Bagay ito siya sa suot ko ngayon. So, meron siyang ganyan sa gilid kung saan mo isasabit ang kanyang strap. Ayan. So, the shape looks like Kelly ng Hermes. But, yeah, this is smaller than the mini Kelly, I think. This strap is also adjustable. Ayan. So, if you are vertically challenged like me, then it should work. Just have to adjust here, oh. Hala, cute nito. Pwede ko itong din kay Paris, pahawak kay Paris ba? Pagamit. Ayan. So, pwede to siya pang lang guys, char-char na handbag lang. Kahit wala na tong strap, okay lang. Pag may atinan kang mga occasions ba. Here you go. I-ano natin ha. Suot natin. So, we'll see. Ooh. Okay. Pwede na natin itong tanggalin. Atin na naman to. This color is just gorgeous, guys. My God, wala pa akong bag na ganito yung kulay. Tingnan nyo, oh. Daddy, what's your thoughts?
Cute.
Cute. Oh, so lovely. Grabe, guys. Can you imagine, like, Paris carrying this too? Wala na tong strap kasi sobrang haba ng strap. Pero pag si Paris, oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Daddy Blake, for this handbag. I so love it. If you are, interested to get something like this, you can definitely go to their website, visit their website, www.teddyblake.com, and you will see variety. Like, seriously, all the styles, all the colors that you need in your life nandoon. So, i-visit nyo lang, and also I'll provide a code for you, so a discount code if ever, because who doesn't like a discount, diba? Ako guys, kapag bumibili ako ng mga gamit, I always go to YouTube and tinitingnan ko talaga yung mga reviews and all, kung sino yung may discount code, kasi it helps, diba? Like, if makakasave ka ng $50 or ganun, why not? So, yeah, I'll put all the links in the description box below para ma-check nyo. And I'll just quickly show you the one that I received from them from last year. Makita nyo talaga yung quality ng handbag. Naglalast talaga siya, guys. Just give me a second. Ito yung na-receive ko last year. As you can see, parang nanay lang siya nung natanggap natin just now. Ayan. So, sobrang laki nito. I think this one is 11 inches and that's 6. So, ito yung mother, and this is the daughter. Maybe apo. No, maybe apo kasi sobrang liit. But yeah, seriously, the quality is really, really good. Tingnan nyo naman, oh, leather na leather talaga siya. At hindi lang yung quality, yung looks talaga niya is very nice as well. So, pang donya, pang sosyalan talaga ang kanyang dating. So, with that out of the way, may unbox tayong isa pa. So, you can see this orange box behind me. Ayan, do you wanna join in, Daddy? So, since nag-unbox ako niyan, guys, i-unbox ko na rin to. Kasi alam nyo ba, kung nakasubaybay kayo sa channel natin, Daddy Mike bought this one for me, June Yeah, June 2021. So, last year. Come dali. Join in siya, guys, kasi siya yung nagbili nito. Kaya, i-unbox namin ito. So, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So, it's been 9 months. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
You need to adjust. Adjust lang namin yung camera, guys, because we have special guest, Mr. Michael
Mackenzie.
Thank you for joining me today. Charot. Charot. So, no, he's here because, as mentioned, guys, he bought this one for me last year. Until now, it's been 9 months. I haven't opened these boxes yet. Hindi ko pa, oh my God. Sobrang love ko to, guys. I really love what's inside this one. If you've been following our vlogs, nakita nyo, guys, kung anong laman nito already. But, yeah, we will unbox together because we're going away and I thought it's going to be a perfect time na i-unbox ito kasi gusto ko na siyang gamitin, guys. Oh, tingnan, can you open the box for me?
The most expensive box
I just
in the
want
world.
to say thank you first, Daddy.
You're welcome. You deserve these gold-made sandals. 24 karat.
24 karat daw, guys. Okay, open one for me, Daddy, please.
Are you sure?
Oh my goodness, yeah. Sabi nga ng bestie ko, guys, sabi niya, best open mo na yan kasi hindi mo alam, baka may ano na daw, baka may anay na daw, guys. Sobrang tagal talaga, hindi ko siya inopen. Ewan ko lang. Kasi nag-move kami and all, so wala talaga akong okasyon din. Char, hinintay talagang okasyon bago i-open. Oh my God. So this is the
HERMES ORAN.
alam na. How did you know that?
Because you told me.
No.
I spent
That was a
I
long
spent
time.
enough money on it to know what they are.
Ayan. Wow.
HERMES.
Hermes. So, sa loob, guys, merong dalawang dust bag. And mind you, this is my first Hermes.
No, it's not.
I don't.
I mean shoes.
Yeah, shoes.
Ah.
My goodness. So, ayan. Sobrang ganda niya, guys, diba? So, I know, no, it's not everyone's cup of tea, Daddy.
Mm.
But, you know, it makes me happy, then why not?
Yes.
I know meron ganang bash sa akin, guys, when Daddy Mike bought this one for me, there's lots of comments, not lots, few comments sabi sa comment section na, like, materialistic.
Mm.
Kasi, bakit kailangan bumili ng ganito mamahalin na, sandals, diba? And then,
I agree.
But then, Daddy bought this one for me, guys. So, regalo to siya, guys. So, hindi naman talaga na wala kaming kinain for that week para lang bilhin ito, diba? So, special occasion yun kasi that was our anniversary. So,
That was a special occasion for mommy.
yeah. But don't you think that I deserve it?
Yes.
Why did you buy it?
Because you deserve it and you wanted it.
Yeah. Good job.
And if I didn't, I'd be trouble. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get packing.
Okay.
Enjoy your Hermes around 24 karat gold slippers.
Oh my God. Ayan. May lakad kasi kami, guys. Kaya, ayan. Nalis si Daddy Mike. But, ayan. There you go. So, that's what it looks like. So, normally, guys, yung size ko is size 36. But, in this particular sandals, it's in size 37, as you can see. Kasi mukhang, siya, ang tawag dito, maliit yung 36 sa atin ng dinala ko sa shop. So, ayan. Oh, I can't wait to start wearing them, guys. Ngayong nakalabas na siya sa kanyang lungga. Grabe, sobrang tagal, guys. 9 months bago ko siya inopen. Galing sa shop talaga, hindi ko siya inopen. First time ko talaga siya inopen dito. Ayan. I'll show you. There you go. Pasensya niyo na ang aking paa. Ayan, o, diba? Bongga ang ating pa-outfit today. So, meron tayong ganito. And then, our handbag. O, diba? Bongga. Obviously, guys, I'm so blessed and very grateful naman, no, sa mga bagay na nare-receive ko. And, sana naman, hindi ibahin yung pagtingin ang tawag dito, pag-interpret ng ibang tao na, materialistic siyang ganyan kasi ganito yung binibili niya, ganyan. You know, gusto ko lang naman i-share sa inyo guys, especially this one. Obviously, natanggap ko siya for gift. I wanna share it with you just in case gusto nyo rin ng ganitong handbag, o diba? Then you can visit the website. And also, yung mga ganitong bagay-bagay guys, again, we don't spend naman beyond our means. Ganun. So, hindi ibig sabihin na bili kami nito kahit na naghihirap kami na hindi kami nakabayad ng kuryente or ganun. So, yun na nga, special occasion, pinag-iipunan, ganun. So, hindi talaga na yung pangkain na lang ay ibibili pa ng luho, ganun. So, i-clear up ko lang yun guys. Kasi, yun na nga sabi nila na, materialistic daw. Anyways, ganun guys, as long as I'm happy and I'm not hurting anyone, I am, I'll continue what I'm doing, diba? So, thank you sa lahat, obviously, sa lahat ng nagsuporta sa channel natin, sa always na panonood, sa pag-comment, sa pag-like, kasi kung wala kayo, wala din naman ako dito, guys. Kaya, super grateful ako sa inyong lahat. That's about it for today's video, guys. That's the unboxing of our two new stuff, new beautiful stuff. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all on the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can, be careful. Bye! Mwah.